Hi there. Just wanted to try to make a video announcement for you guys for Math 153, sections W03 and W07. We have a test coming up this week. It opens Thursday at 12:01 a.m. and will remain open for an entire week until the following Wednesday, September 23rd at 11:59 p.m. So basically, in this 1 week period, you need to find 90 minutes that you can take the test. That is, once you open the test, it cannot be reopened again. So you want to make sure you find some uninterrupted time, that is 90 minutes, to take test one. Now, on test one, there will be several questions that have been covering our first module. Some of them require StatCrunch to answer them. So I want to make sure that you have StatCrunch. So if you haven't purchased it already for 15 bucks, it's very affordable. You're going to want to do that in the next few days. You can find a link in our syllabus next to where it says it's required. There's a link that will take you directly into StatCrunch to the sort of the student side of it so you can purchase it for 15 bucks. If you have any problem with that whatsoever, don't hesitate to call me and or text me or email me so that we can straighten that out and have that software ready for you to go. Now, during the test, you will be required to use Respondus Lockdown Browser and Monitor. I've put up some instructions for this in one of your previous announcements. Two of the previous announcements has a PDF file that has instructions for getting this on your computer. It's relatively easy, and once you get it on, you have to open Respondus and navigate to Blackboard and then to our test, and then you'll be able to take the test. So you have to open up Lockdown Browser, which freezes your ability to go to anything else, and then jump into Blackboard as you usually would. The one thing you're going to want to have handy are your login for Blackboard, because it won't remember you because you're in the Lockdown Browser, and also your login for StatCrunch. You need to have that handy so that you can type those in when you're asked to in those sequence. Now, when you get to the test, you'll open it up. It'll warn you that it's timed and that you're going to have to finish it. At the top of the test are some instructions. In those instructions is a link that you will want to open once you start the test that will allow you to get to StatCrunch while in Lockdown Browser. It's important for you to just open that up at the beginning of the test so you don't have to scroll back up in the middle and try to find it right when you start the test. There'll be instructions. It'll be a long URL address that you click on. It will open an extra tab in Respondus, and then you can use that software while being locked down. It's a very neat feature they've allowed us to do, and I want to make sure you guys have the test open in the right environment and also have StatCrunch open, because you certainly will need it, as you know, to do problems that deal with correlation, regression, standard deviation. Certainly want a statistical software package for the test. I wish you luck on the test. There's some practice problems that you can try to make sure you're prepared. You can also come to one of my office hours. Again, email, call, text me if you have any questions whatsoever. Hope everything goes well for you guys and that you all get great scores. Thanks.